the last line of the gospel is, power came out of him. Power. No? Power. Power is a product of prayer. Jesus began and begins every day with prayer. Si Jesus na, no? Tayo pa kaya, no? How important prayer is. We cannot overemphasize how important this prayer is. The product of prayer, the fruit of prayer, ito lumabas. Pumili siya ng 12 disciples. Because of prayer, he was able to heal. Everything comes from prayer. That is the source of the strength of Jesus. Always in constant communion. No? Not because of our power, hindi dahil sa kakayahan ko, dahil ito yung produkto ng panalangin. Kahapon, pinag-uusapan natin, we have no reason to delay love. Why do we delay? Why do we withhold saying, I love you? Ang galing mo, ang ganda mo naman, no? Ang dami natin dahilan. Ayoko gumawa na mabuti, ayoko magsalita mabuti, kasi ang daming dahilan. But with prayer, we can do it. We can affirm the other. We can do good. We can not delay. We have to act now because yun ang produkto ng panalangin. Last week, we could not stop talking about how important it is to see the hand of God. No? When there is a miracle, all of us are living miracles, no? Because of the many times we have died, namatay tayo, bumangon, no? Nakabangon na naman. We have been so pained by our love lives, for example, iniwan, no? Namatayan, no? Ano man, gaano kahapdi yan, nakabangon dahil sa produkto ng panalangin. All because of the fruit of prayer, no? So we see how important prayer is. We cannot overemphasize how important prayer is. And lastly, our saint today, Saint Nicholas of Tolentino in Italy. Si Saint Nicholas, yung magulang niya, hindi magkaanak, yung magulang ni Nicholas. Pumunta sila sa shrine ni Saint Nicholas of Myra at Bari. Si Santa Claus, taga Bari, Italy. Pumunta yung magulang sa Bari, sa shrine ni Nicholas, ni Saint Nicholas of Bari. Pumunta siya doon, nanalangin para magkaanak. No? Dahil doon, pinangalan siyang Nicholas. Are you familiar with the Saint Nicholas bread? Tinapay ni Nicholas, no? Anyway, so so now we know who to run to para sa mga hindi magkaanak, no? We turn to one of the patrons of those having difficulty in childbirth or giving birth to a child, Saint Nicholas. Dahil dito pinanganak siya, naging Augustinian at a very young age of 18, he became an Augustinian. He was ordained at about 25. And we turn to him in his many, many miracles, all as a fruit of prayer. He was able to hear the call of Jesus to him to be an Augustinian because of prayer. So that is how important prayer is. The power of God is manifested, the love of God is manifested, the miracles are manifested because of prayer. All because of prayer. Not my power, but God's power is manifested because of prayer. Thank you for this reminder. We thank God for the intercession of our saint today, Saint Nicholas of Tolentino.